Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can list multiple items in one listing. This is very easy and quick. Now, first, you just need to log in into your eBay and then click on sell in the top right. And then after that, you want to click on create listing. Okay, so after you click on create listing, you want to come up with the title of the product and then click on search. After that, you want to select the category if they are asking you for category. Here, select the condition of your item. I'm going to select new. And after that, you want to click on three little dots here in the top right. And after that, you want to click on settings. Now you want to enable the variation option. Just make sure you enable it. Okay, so after you enable it, if you scroll down, you will be able to see here variations. Click on it. Now after that, what you need to do is you want to remove this. Now this in the attributes, you want to remove these suggestions or recommendations, remove them, and then you can add your own. For example, if you have a product with different colors, you can add here, you can click on this plus in the attributes, and then you can click on add your own attribute, and then you can add color. Okay. And then here where it says create your own or options, you can add how many colors you want. Okay, I have added now color here in the top. Now I'm going to add red color, yellow color, let's say blue color, 3 colors. You can also add, if you have products with different sizes, to in the top enter again attributes, you want to click on add plus, this plus add, and then you can add your own attribute, or if you can find here size, for example, click on it. And then after that, you just need to click on save. Now, as you can see, now we have created 2 attributes here, the sizes and the color. Now the color, we already added 3 colors. About the size, just click on size, and then you can click on create your own, and then you can add how many sizes you want. In my case, I'm going to add XL, XXL, and then L, for example. After you are done, you want to click on continue. Now after you click on continue, you want to click here, it says enter add variation option. It says here change photos in your listing based on this attribute. This determines which photos buyers see when they select a variation option. Now this means, like, if you click here on use default photos, click on color. Now you want to add a color specific, like you want to add red color. Now you want to click, for example, on yellow or or whatever color you have, for example, blue color, and then you can add an image that is showing a blue color. Like, for example, if you are selling a t-shirt, you can add here a blue t-shirt, because when the buyer selects blue, you will be able to see the blue you have added here. Okay. Now here the yellow, the same thing. Click on yellow and then upload the yellow t-shirt or whatever yellow product you have. Red, the same thing. About the price, you can add the price for every color. Just click here, select everything, and then click on enter price, and then click, for example, $30. And as you can see, I have added $30. You can also add a different price for a specific color, for example, yellow color and the size XL. I want to sell it for $40, for example. Now after that, you just need to scroll down and then click on save and close. Now after that, you just need to list the product. That's all you need to do to list products with to list multiple items in one listing. That's all you need to do. Now, hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.